Hey guys, so we are going to do some sight words today. We are going to be working on list N. Remember, if you are not quite ready for list N, go ahead and go to list A, B, or C, or any of the other lists. So I'm going to show you a word. I want you to tell me what it is. If you need to pause the video so you can have more time to think, feel free to do so. Other than that, let's get started. What's this word? Because, goes, those, around, these, gave, open, after, her. Okay, next up I'm going to put three sight words out. I'm going to put three sight words out, and I want you to point to the word that I'm asking for. Are you ready? Let's go. Point to the word her. Her book bag is pink. Point to the word these. These jelly beans are tasty. Point to the word around. Around. Point to the word open. Point to the word gave. Gave. I gave her a cookie. Point to the word after. After. After me. Point to the word point to the word because. Okay. Which of these words is the word those? What's that last word? This last word is goes. Those and goes. I chose those because they rhyme. All right, guys, thank you so much for working with me on your sight words. Now I'm going to show you a fun activity that you can do to help you practice writing your sight words, practice reading your sight words, and it's just cool. We are going to write our words using bubble letters. So not like bubbles, but just like making the letters look like little bubbles. I'll show you how to do it. And it's okay if you can't do it perfectly, because Miss Erica can't do it perfectly. You just do it as best as you can. So what you're going to need are some crayons, some colored pencils. I'm going to use markers and some construction paper, or some construction paper or paper. Paper is the other, like lined paper. I just could not think of that word. Whatever paper you have. You're going to use those two things, and we're going to do some bubble letters, or you can also do block letters, whatever. We're going to see what we can do. We're just going to do some sight word art. And for this set, like in order to practice for this activity, I'm going to use set N. You can use whichever set you are working on. If you are working on set A, you can use set A. Whatever. It's all cool, guys. It's all cool. All right. So I have my construction paper. I have my markers. You go get your things, come back with me, and then we're gonna do some block letters. Yeah. All right, so I'm going to choose a dark marker, and we are going to let's do this word. And what we're going to do, we are going to just write it in bubble letters. So this is something I learned in, well, we won't do bubble letters. Let's do this. Oh, this is bubble letters. And an R. Boop. Her. So that's one way to do bubble letters, or you could just do block letters. See, mine aren't very perfect. Or if you just want to do really fat letters. They're really fat letters. See, really fat letters. So however you choose to do it, you can go ahead and make some art with your words, whichever way you want to do it. If you decide to do this activity, make sure you take a picture of it and send it to me on Class Dojo or on Google Classroom. Other than that, guys, make sure you wash your hands, listen to your parents, and I will catch you all next time. Bye!